At Insightpool, we believe in influencer marketing done right. That means real audiences. What I mean by that is that there are hundreds of millions of people across social media and other digital assets that you need to filter through, which our system makes it easy, to understand contextually who are the right parties for you to engage with. And you should be able to predict which ones will engage back with you. That's real audiences, not just who are the famous people that are asking to be paid for something. Second, real influence. Honestly, I'm not sure that when a famous person puts out one tweet and a brand pays them $20,000, it does anything but create a quick flash in the pan. Most brands need conversations continually going by people that are their customers or could be, so that you and I go and buy those products. How do you have an algorithm that determines real influence? Insightpool does. And then you think about real easy. Nobody has an entire department dedicated to this. This is somewhat of a new strategy. So you need software and systems and people to be able to help execute that for you. Real easy means you log into our system, it's point and click with filtering, you can create campaigns and engage those parties, measure which ones have the best results for you, and then use that in your next campaign, and then use that for all of your next insights. And the reality of what it's going to deliver is real results. We live in a day and age where you now have to market through people instead of just to people. And that's why Insightpool's system is influencer marketing done right.